Good evening, everyone. I'm just excited to share that I've recently completed an internship program at UnifiedMentor as a data science intern. During this journey, I gained hands-on experience on tools and frameworks like Python, Keras, Scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and many machine learning algorithms. What made this internship meaningful was the mentorship and the real-world exposure that helped me gain much knowledge and apply my theory to impactful problem solving on real-world problems and data science solutions. This has reaffirmed my abilities and passion in data science field. And the passion is really helpful. It's very much. I'm excited for what lies ahead. Thank you very much. I hope you have a blessed life.